পৰম শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ বিহুপ্ৰেমী ৰাইজ, নবহাগৰ এই ক্ষণত
we are continuing quadratic equation. Okay, so first question, find two consecutive odd integers sum of whose squares is 290. All right, so let me solve. Solution: two numbers given, two consecutive odd numbers given. So we don't know what the two consecutive odd numbers. So we take like this: let x comma x plus 2 odd number. If you take x equal to 1, the other will be x plus or 1 plus 2, it will become 3. Okay, so let x comma x plus 2 be the two consecutive okay, I think you will understand consecutive TIVE consecutive odd integers. Okay, now by question part, look very carefully. It is given sum of whose squares. Here square AC there, that means if AC there, separate like that: x square plus x plus 2 whole square equal to given 290. Break formula: a plus b whole square formula break: a square plus twice ab plus of b square. This constant term you bring the left side, this is plus, if you bring the left side, it will become minus 290 equal to 0. Add x square plus x square twice x square plus 2 to the 4x plus 2 to the 4 minus 290 0 equal to 0. Twice x square plus 4x, see the constant term, here it is 4, here it is 290. This is negative, this is positive. If one is negative, other positive, you have to subtract. 290 minus 4, it will be 286. This is greater, so minus sign, 0. Again, if you can divide both the side by the smallest number, this 2, you must divide. You make the problem shorter, smaller. Okay, you must divide. So by 2, if you divide, then 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6 equal to 0. If you divide the 0 by this 2, it will become 0 only. Okay, after that it is up to you. You will apply middle term factorization or formula. It is up to you whether you will apply middle term factorization or formula of quadratic equation. All right, so let me do this one by formula of quadratic. Here a equal to the coefficient of x square is called a 1. B means coefficient of x is called b 2. C means constant term. Here this is minus 1 4 3. Then what is the formula of quadratic equation? Therefore x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. This is the formula of quadratic equation. Okay, implies x equal to minus value of b is your 2, you put in place of b, you put 2, plus minus root over value of b is your 2, so 2 square minus 4 a, value of a is your 1, value of c is your minus 1 4 3. If it is negative, you must give bracket. Okay, by twice a, value of a is 1, implies x equal to minus 2 plus minus root over 2 to the 4 minus into minus plus 4 1 the 4, 4 3 the 12, 2 in hand 1, 4 4 the 16 plus 1 17 in hand 1, 4 1 the 4 plus 1 5. Okay, by 2 1 the 2, implies x equal to minus 2 plus minus root over 5 70 2 plus 4, it is 576 by 2, implies x equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 576 is 24. 24 is 576 by this 2. Alright. Then you write either x equal to minus 2 plus 24 by 2, one time negative, or x equal to minus 2 minus 24 by 2, one time positive and one time negative take. Okay, implies x equal to 24 minus 2 is your 22. This is greatest of positive sign by 2, cancel it, 11. So x equal to, we got 11. Similarly, we solve this one also, both are negative, you to add negative 26 by 2. It is my 13 time 2 13 the 26, x equal to minus 13. Okay, so positive integer given, positive odd integer given, so it is negative, it is not possible, so you write here impossible, it is not possible. So what you write? Impossible, impossible, impossible. What will write here? Impossible. Okay, not possible, it is not possible. So what will write? Therefore the required consecutive odd integers are, first we have taken x, value of x is 11, and second one we have taken x plus 2, value of x is 11 plus 2 equal to 13. So these are the two integers, odd integers. Next question, a motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. We don't know what the speed of the stream, so let me show you, let me solve this problem. Let the speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour. Okay, x kilometer per hour. Now the upstream and downstream given. Suppose in the let me show you. Suppose this is a boat, suppose, okay, and water is to flow from outside. This is river, this is a river suppose, and this is suppose boat. If a boat goes upstream, speed will decrease, and if a boat goes downstream, the speed will increase. Okay, so here upstream and downstream mentioned, that's why you see speed of both upstream. Therefore speed of both upstream, in upstream speed will decrease, no, boat will go like this, so speed will decrease. So how? X minus, sorry, not x, total given 18, it is given 18 km per hour, sorry, 18. Okay, this is the speed of the stream only, so total speed given 18 km per hour, 18 km per hour. So from total speed 18 km, from 18 you have to subtract the speed of stream x. So this is the speed of boat upstream, kilometer per hour, and speed of BOAT, boat, downstream. Downstream. In downstream, speed will increase. So 18 plus x kilometer per hour. Okay. Now by question part. Try to understand very carefully. Here given take 1 hour more. So first you to find the time. Find the time taken by the boat to go upstream and the time taken by boat to go downstream. Okay. So time taken to go upstream equal to time equal to what? Time equal to distance by speed. Distance, total distance given 24 kilometer. So total distance 24, time equal to distance by speed. This is total distance and speed to go upstream is this one. 18 minus x. This much hour it will take. Okay. Time taken to go downstream. Same as before. Time equal to distance by speed. Total distance 24 kilometer and speed of downstream is 18 plus x hour. So these are the time taken. Now by question part, it is given like this. A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream, then to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed. So by question, to go 24 km upstream, it will take 1 hour more to return downstream, given like that. 1 hour more means plus 1. Now how to solve? 24 18 minus x, this 24 by 18 plus, bring this side, this is positive. If you bring the left side, to become negative. 18 plus x equal to 1. Then how to solve? First you take 24 common. 24 you take common. If you take common, in the numerator 1 will remain. 18 minus x, this is minus sign. Same, 24 taken out, so 1 will remain in the numerator. 18 plus x equal to 1. Now we take LCM. What the LCM? LCM will be your 18 minus x into 18 plus x equal to 1. If you divide this LCM by this 18 minus x, this part will cancel. 18 plus x will remain. 18 plus x on the 18 plus x. Similarly, this part will cancel. This will remain. 18 minus x will remain. So outside negative, you must give bracket. 18 minus x will remain here. Okay. Next, 24 into 18 plus x minus plus minus 18 minus minus plus x. 18 is square, a minus b into a square minus b square equal to 1. Okay. Negative 18, positive 18 cancel. 24 into x plus x 2x by 18 into 18 you break in half. You see how much you are getting. 18 into 18, multiply it. 8 at the 64, in 6, 8 1 the 8 plus 6 14, again 8 1 the 8, 1 1 the 1, 4 2 3. Okay, understood? 324. So it is 324 minus x square equal to 1. Clear now? Now multiply it. 24 to the 48x, okay, equal to 1 by this one. 324 minus x square, cross multiply like this. 1 into 324 minus x square equal to 48x. All the term you bring the left side, minus, arrange it first. X square must be written first. This is plus, this become minus 48x. This is plus, so plus 324 equal to 0. Our first term cannot be negative, make it positive. So if you make it positive, negative will become positive and positive will become negative. Okay. Now we are solving this equation by applying formula of quadratic. Okay, you can apply middle term also if possible. So here a equal to 1, coefficient of x is called a1. B means coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is your 48. So 48 will that, and C means constant term, minus 324. Therefore, formula of quadratic equation use x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. Put the value of b, minus value of b is your 48, plus minus root over 48 minus 4, a value 1, c value minus 324 by twice a value 1. Okay, next x equal to minus 48 plus minus 48 into 48 you break. Okay, what will get 48 into 48? Let me show the up here. Multiply it. 48 into 48, 8 at the 64, 4 in and 6, 8 for the 32, 32 plus 6, 38, 4 at the 32 in and 3, 4, 16, 16 plus 3, 19. Okay, so 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 3 plus 9, 12, plus 1, 13, 1 remainder, 1 plus 1, 2. That means it is 2304. Minus into minus plus, 4 1 the 4, 4 4 the 16, 6, in hand 1, 4 2 the 8, 8 plus 1 9, again 4 3 the 12. Alright, by 2 1 the 2. Plus x equal to minus 48 plus minus, you edit 4 plus 6 10 0 in 1, 0 plus 9 9 plus 1 10 0 in 1, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 is 2 plus 1 3, it is 3600 by 2. X equal to minus 48 plus minus, it will find the square 3600. Square root 36 is 6 and square double 0 is 10. I think understood by 2. After that you do either x equal to minus 48 plus 60 by 2, or x equal to minus 48 minus 60 by 2. Subtract it. From 60 if you subtract 48, what will get? 12. Greatest of positive by 2. Here both are negative, you add. If you add, it will become 108. Both are negative, negative sign will come. 2. 2 6 are 12, 6, yes. 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8. So minus 54. Look, distance cannot be negative. We cannot take distance as negative. Alright. So we have to reject it. Minus, it is impossible to write. Time cannot be negative, no? Okay, or speed cannot be negative. So you take negative as impossible. Impossible. So to find the speed of the both. Also we have to find the speed of the stream. Therefore the speed of the stream we have taken as x, value of x is your 6, so it is 6 kilometer per hour. Okay. Okay, this is the last question. This is the last question. Rest we'll do tomorrow, right? So the question states like that: the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. We don't know what is the present age of Rahman. Okay, so let me show you, let me solve for you. We'll take, we don't know the present age of Rahman, so we'll take, let the present age of Rahman be, suppose be x years. We are taking x years. Okay, 3 years ago given, so we find the age of Rahman 3 years ago. Ago means before. So 3 years ago, the age of Rahman, the age of Rahman was, from present age you subtract 3, this much years. 3 years ago the age of Rahman was this much, and it is given 5 years from now. So 5 years from now, 5 years from now. 5 years from now means after 5 years. 5 years from now, the age of Rahman will be x plus 5. You have to add 5. Okay. By question part. Now by question part. By question. It is given the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age 3 years from 3 years ago and 5 years from now. 3 years ago, this one, sum of the reciprocals. Reciprocals given, reciprocal means 1 by reciprocal, sum of the reciprocals of his age 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Reciprocals given, so reciprocal you take equal to given 1 by 3. You have to find his present age. So what we'll do, first we take the LCM. Here is x minus 3 and it is x plus 5 in the denominator. So both of the denominator multiply, x minus 3 into x plus 5. This is the LCM. Okay, x minus 3 into x plus 5 is the LCM. If you divide this LCM by this denominator, this x minus 3 will cancel, x plus 5 will remain. X plus 5 ones are, it is x plus 5 plus. Similarly, if you divide this LCM by this x plus 5, this x plus 5 will cancel, x minus 3 will remain. X minus 3 ones are x minus 3 equal to 1 by 3. Then x plus x twice x, 5 minus 3 is your 2, 5 is greater plus, then you multiply this one, x into x square plus into plus 5 into x 5x minus into plus minus 3 into x 3x minus into plus minus 3 5s are 15 equal to 1 by 3. Twice x plus 2 by x square, 5x minus 3x is a twice x, this is greater, so positive sign, minus 15 equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiply, x square plus twice x minus 15 ones are x square plus twice x minus 15 equal to 3 2s are 6x plus 3 2s are 6. All the term will bring the left side, x square plus twice x, this is plus, if you bring the left side it will become minus 6x minus 15, this 6 is plus positive, if you bring the left side it will become minus equal to 0. X square 6 minus 2 is your 4x. 6 is greater negative, so negative will come here. If both are negative, it will add and minus will remain. 15 plus 6 is 21 equal to 0. So we to solve this, we can apply middle term formula or we can solve it by quadratic formula also. So let me apply middle term factorization here. X square minus, give bracket and write x outside, then minus 21 we write first equal to 0. Here sign is negative, so we'll put here negative sign. Okay, if it's positive, we'll put positive here. After that, first we'll multiply the coefficient of x square and constant term. Here coefficient of x square is 1, so 1 into 21 is your 21 only. 21, find the factor of 21. Factor of 21 is by 3 can divide, 3 7 that 21. Okay, so 7 minus 3 you will get 4, so 7 minus 3 you will get 4. X square minus into plus minus, 7 into x 7x, minus into minus plus 3 into x 3x, minus 21 equal to 0. Then you take common from first two term. Here x square, here it is x only, so we can take x common, x minus 7 will remain. We have taken this x out common, so only 7 will remain. Plus from this last two term you take 3 common and you write directly x minus 7 equal to 0. Your insider must be same. Make group now. Insider one group, outsider one group equal to 0. These are insider and these are outsider. Okay, after this you write either x minus 7 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. Implies x equal to, this is negative, that should become positive. X equal to plus 3, if you transfer to that it will be minus 3. Okay, age cannot be negative, age of person cannot be negative, that's why negative number will not take. You write impossible, it is not possible. Age of a man cannot be negative, age of a person cannot be negative, that's why you have to take only positive value, so negative 3 will be impossible. Okay, therefore the present age of Rahman, present age of Rahman equal to 7 years. Okay, this is the last question. Okay, rest will do tomorrow.